Hi guys, I'm Ann and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. This time we are doing another quarantine dance lesson and we are still focusing on TikTok. So this dance is going to be the Girls Just Want to Have Fun challenge, which I think is super cute. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, stick around, but first don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy the video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, you guys, let's dive in. Okay, whenever I am facing you, I will have the video on a mirrored effect so that if I am moving my right hand, it'll be your right hand too. So it'll be a mirrored effect so you can just mirror what you see. My body will be turned around so that you'll be doing it the right way. So at the beginning of this, you will have to adjust. In a lot of TikTok, you have to go in and adjust the length of the song. So for this one, you do have to go in and adjust so that it starts a little further in than it's supposed to at the "oh girls just wanna have fun," because otherwise there's a bunch of stuff before that and you won't have enough time to do the whole dance. So make sure you do go in and adjust. So the first part is you're just going to stand there and look really sassy, and you're going to bring your arm up and you're going to come down and swoop under your chin and try to look sweet, and then do that again and swoop under your chin and try to look sweet. And then we're going to come up, 2, 3, 4. Hands come together, down, and then we're gonna go boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we're here at the beginning. Oh, girls just don't wanna have fun. And it's gonna be, and it does this weird like techno thing. So it's gonna be, oh, girls, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then on 8, you can either go here or you can just throw your hands in the air and be really cute. 8. So the timing might be a little bit weird, but I can't play the music on here because of copyright stuff. So you're coming down, fun, and then when you hear is when you're going to start. So you're going to start with a jump rope motion. So your hands are going to be here. You're going to jump, 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 jump. So up, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 jump, 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 jump. So 4 jumps. You're gonna go to your right first, and it's kind of like you're jump roping. Jump, 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 jump. Cool? So from the top, we're here. I like to start in a little sassy pose. So we have up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left, right. Yay! And you'll hear boom, boom, boom. That's when you start to do the jump rope. 2, 3, 4. So 4 jumps. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you kind of jump to the side and side, side, side. Then we're going to go into hit, 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 hit. So again, we're going to come up, hit, 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 hit. So you could either go hit and switch. You could go hit, out. It's really up to you. Have some fun with it. Hit, 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 hit. You can go forward and back. So we go from the jump rope, hit, 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 boom, bop, boom, bop. From the beginning. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 up, down, up, down. The next thing that's gonna happen, we're gonna punch and punch and punch and punch and punch. So we're gonna start that by going down into the hips, and we're gonna punch across. And punch, right foot first, right hand first. Down, punch and punch and punch and punch. One more time. So we just did boom, bop, boom, bop, and punch, 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 punch. So from the jump rope, we have jump, 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 up, down, punch, 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 punch. So far, so good? Okay. From the top. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 up, down, punch, 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 punch. From there, we just did punch, 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 punch. And then we're gonna step and cross. It doesn't matter what you put in front, but we're gonna go cross, step, step. So 2 of those in a row, and the count is and 1 and 2. Okay? Now when you do that, you're gonna cross your arms when you cross your feet. And step and step. And step and step. And you're gonna turn your body slightly. So we just did punch, 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 and step and step. So punch, 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 and step this way, and step this way. So we're here, we've just done punch, 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 punch. And then we're gonna cross our arms and our ankles. And out, cross out. So again, we just did punch, 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 cross out. And you can have your hands in fists, you can have them open, whatever makes you happy. So again, that was cross out. And then in the last bit, just put your hands on your knees and whip your hair. So in fast motion, cross out with the hair. Don't hurt yourself. Be careful. If you want to see me really looking like a fool and doing these on actual TikTok, you can follow me there at Chronically_Beaut, B-E-A-U-T. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, 8. Listen to the music. Move, 2, 3, up. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Punch, 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 cross step with the hair, and then do something cute at the end. Let's try it facing the other way. I am no longer mirroring now. So we're here and swoosh, swoosh, arms up, arms down, hit, 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 yay! Then jump, rope, up, down, punch, 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 cross step with the hair, and then do something cute. All right, you guys, that was the Girls Just Want to Have Fun challenge. I hope that you had a lot of fun watching. I had a lot of fun teaching. Have an amazing day. Keep coming back. Take care of you. And if you enjoyed learning Girls Just Want to Have Fun, check out the rest of my class at #SAHS dance on TikTok. I'm so out of shape. Oh, sweet Jesus. See this? It's like a whole workout situation. I don't use it. Is that pretty obvious right now that I don't use it? I would say yes, because I can't even breathe and I've been dancing for about 4 seconds.